Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can delete a field right here in our database. So I'm going to open one of these tables. So I want to delete all of these columns right here. So I put the cursor right here and then let's click. Notice I highlight everything. So I'm going to right click. Let's go back again. Then right click. Notice all the way right here. So delete field. You want to click. Right, so do you want to permanently delete the selected field and all the data in the field? Right, to permanently delete the field, click yes. Right, so we're going to click yes. Alright, you notice there's no field. Definitely, this is how we actually delete a field in our database. So come right here, so highlight the table, and then we're going to right click and go like that. And notice, and click on yes, and there you go. So this is how you delete a field right here in our database. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.